So hello student, this is Tushar from Genius Print. Today I will discuss 10 important biological question which is from for that examinations of TT, TSC, TSE, that is Tripura Science Talent Search Examination 2020. So for that examinations I already uploaded different video for math and science, etc. So today in that class I will discuss some biological questions. So before I begin, I will request all of you to subscribe my channels and hit the bell icon so that you can get this entire notification of from our channel. So without wasting time, let's start. Another important announcement is that you can follow us on our Instagram channels also. So let's start. Out of these 10 questions, number 1, which tissue make up the husk of the coconut? Yes. In case of the coconut, the husk, that means outer covers of that coconut, is made of one kind of tissue. You have to name the tissue. So option is given in the below. So option A says that it is the parenchyma, B is collenchyma, C is sclerenchyma, and D is none of this. So out of these 4 options, option C is correct. That is sclerenchyma is the correct answer. So for question number 1, it is sclerenchyma. Yes, it is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is the correct answer for that particular questions. So now for question number 2, question number 2 says that cardiac muscles is one of the 3 major types of these muscles. Which one of the following statements is related with cardiac muscles? So out of these 4 statements given to your options, so option A says that it is muscles of this heart showing this rhythmic contractions and this relaxations. Option B says that yes, A may be the correct answer. Let me see the option B also. These muscles are weak. I can't say that these muscles are weak because these muscles are strong enough. Option B is yes. Option C says that these muscles are nerveless muscles. That's also not correct. And option D says that all of this. So 2 options is not correct. So how option D will be correct? So I think according to these questions, option A is the correct. So for question number 2, option A is the correct answer. Now question number 3. Question number 3 says that survival of the plants in the terrestrial environment has been made possible by this presence of which tissue? Okay, so in case of the terrestrial plants, all of you know that these are all those plants which are basically stay in the land areas called the terrestrial lands. So survival of this plant terrestrial environment has been made possible by the presence of which tissue? Option A, okay, it is intermeristematic tissue. We can't say it. Option B says that it is the conducting tissue. It may be correct answer. Option C says that optical meristematic tissue. No, this is not apical. This is not, sorry, it's not apical meristematic tissue. Option C says that yes, option C, and option D says that parenchyma tissue. No. So according to these questions, option B, there is conducting tissue may be the correct answer. So option B, that is for question number 3, it is option B is correct answer. Now for question number 4, the end product of which forms often food digestions are absorbed by the inner surface of our digestions. Okay, these types of this inner surface is made up of this apical tissue. Which types of this apical tissue form this inner surface? So all of you know, in case of this inner surface of the small intestines, which is made up of different tissue. So there are basically one kind of tissue which helps for this absorptions of the food in case of this small intestine. So let me see this option first of all. Option A is stratified squamous epithelial tissue. No, it's not the correct answer. Option B says that it's a simple squamous epithelial tissue. Simple squamous is not also correct answer. Option C says that it's a cuboidal epithelial tissue. Cuboidal is also not the correct answer. It's a columnar epithelial tissue. That is option D is correct answer. So for the question number 4, option D, which are called the columnar epithelial tissue. See, basically this kind of tissue are like that column. These are column like structure So this tissue also like that, columnar. So these are basically present in the small intestines, which are very large and part of our digestion systems. So on that particular part, this kind of tissues is available. So I hope you understand you. Okay, so next question number 5 says that the epidermis of these desert plants are covered by a thick layers of cutin. Yes. Now what is the significance of this covering them? Okay, so for that, yes, epidermis desert plant. For the desert plants, leaves of these plants are basically covered by a layer which is called the cutin layer. So this layer is due to reductions of the water, that means transpiration rate. So let me see this option here. Prevent excess entry of CO2. That's not correct answer, because if CO2 cannot enter, then photosynthesis it may not be possible. So then for option number B says that provide mechanical stability. No, that's not also correct. Option number C, prevent water losses. Yes, it may be correct answer. And option number D is absorb the sunlight absorptions. No, that's not correct answer. That is option C is the correct answer. So question number 5 is option number C, which says that prevent water loss, because I already told you that cutin surface in the upper part of this desert or plants leaves basically try to reduce this water transpiration, so it helps for that. Now question number 6 says that pea plant is a type of this creeping plant where leaves are converted into this tendrils, and the growings of this embracing this resort. Their stem bends without the breakings and continues their growth. Now which among the following options is associated with such of the work? So option number A says that this is the Collenchyma. Collenchyma is not maybe the correct answer. Option number B is Sclerenchyma. I think it is not also correct answer. Option number C is Parenchyma. Yes, it may be correct answer, and all of the above is not correct answer. That is option number C is the correct answer. So for that question number 6, it should be C. See, first of all of you see these questions and try to solve these questions by pausing the video on your own, and then try to see our options. Through this way you can also test yourself also, and if you test yourself 10 questions per day by showing our video, then it also boosts your speed. Okay, so next question number 7. Question number 7 says that xylem tissue consists of 4 components. Which of the components among the store food? Yes, we know that in plant there are 2 kinds of this tissue, xylem and phloem, but xylem has 4 components. Basically different components of the xylem tissue work differently, but among them one of the tissues is work for the storing purpose, that is for food storing. So according to these questions, which may be the correct answer option? Let me see. Option A says that it's a trachete for storing purpose, is not. Option B is basals, it's also not. Option C is xylem parenchyma, it may be correct answer, and option D is xylem fiber, is not also correct answer. So parenchyma basically try to store this food whatever produced in the plants. So according to this question, option C is correct. That is for 7 question. Option number C is correct. Now option number question number 8. A person's meet with an accident. Due to this reason, 2 long bones of his hand were dislocated. 2 long bones of his hands were dislocated from each other. Okay, so in these conditions, which option among the following may be the possible reason? Okay, so if 2 long bones of the person's hands are dislocated, then which may be the correct option? Okay, see, option number A says that tearing of the skeletal muscles, skeletal breaking or tearing. I don't know whether it is connected with this bones dislocation, so it not the correct answer. Option number B says that is a ligament break. It may be correct answer, because sometimes ligament if break, then bones also separated. Option C says that is a break of this adipose tissue. That's completely false. and option number D is none of the above. So according to these questions, yes, it is, I think option B, that is ligament break is maybe the correct answer. Yes, for this question number 8 it is B. That is question number 8 is B option is correct, which is ligament break. So if the ligament sometimes break, then bones maybe dislocated from this actual position. Now question number 9. See, I am going very fast because this may test you also how much rapidly you can also score these questions. For that reason, and also we have to do some another video also. So these are very of the very important questions, so you have to solve these questions rapidly. Okay, question number 9 says that which among the following characteristics are the characteristics of the cell present in meristematic tissue. Okay, so meristematic tissue, okay, option number A says that they are dense cytoplasmic thick celluloid cells containing the snow. That's not option maybe, because external things is not necessary to read here. Option number B says that they are bacular active cytoplasm less. No, cytoplasm less may not be the correct answer. Cytoplasm is present, so this option I can ignore. Option number C says that they are thick cellulose cell wall. Yes, it may be correct. No, but next option is containing inactive dense and cytoplasmic containing this nucleus-less cells. No, nucleus-less cells, I cannot say it correct. Let me see the option number D also. Option D says that they are active dense cytoplasmic thin cellulose cell wall. Yes, prominent nucleus. Yes, prominent nucleus is present, containing and lack in this vacuole cells. Yes, option number D is correct. That is for this question number 9. Option D is correct. See, here I have not discussed these details of these questions, but if you want to know these details, then you can write on the comment below that I want to see these details of that classes. Then I will take another video for that also. Now move on to the next question. So now question number 10 says that if you observe a slide by taking say drop of blood under the microscope, then which among the following cells you can see? Option A says that is a lymphocyte. Option B says that is a chondrocyte. Option C says that is an osteocyte, and option D is nerve cells. See here lymphocyte may be correct answer, because lymphocyte is present in the blood cells, and also lymphocyte another, there is a monocyte also, and these things are also present in the blood cells. But option B says there is a chondrocyte, which is not the correct, because chondrocyte is generally formed this cartilage of this body. So cartilage is not present in the blood cells, so it's not be the correct option. Option C is this osteocyte. Osteocyte is not there, because osteocyte generally present in the bones. That means there generally helps to present this bone cells. So osteocyte also is not the correct option regarding this question. Now option D says that is a nerve cell. Nerve cells is also not there. Nerve cells is basically present in the flesh of our body. So in case of this blood, so lymphocyte is the correct answer. That is option number A is the correct answer. Okay, so lymphocyte, not only lymphocyte, monocyte also there. That means RBC there, WBC there, lymphocyte, monocyte, these things are present in our blood. Okay, so according to this question, so option A is the correct answer. Okay, so here I have discussed 10 important questions, biological questions. So these are basically asked in different examinations of that TSE 2020 and some other NTSA also. So if you want to take these preparations betterly for the NTSA exam, BVM exam, and then in case of this TSE TSA exam or different scholarship exams, so you can subscribe my channels and hit the bell icon, that so that you can get this entire notifications. And another important thing is that you must comment on the that means Instagram channel, namely Genius Print. Here you can write your comment which subject I will take class, physics, chemistry, biology, etc., so that I can get this new video for it also. And generally I am going to launch a different course for regarding solving this previous year questions and reasoning questions, math questions, etc. So you have to comment below, sir, I want to take this class. Okay, so, and must share this class also with your friends so that another can also enjoy these sessions. Okay, so today in this class I have discussed these things, and tomorrow also I will discuss some other questions also. So you have to subscribe these channels from myself. Okay, so thank you.